Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This video is brought to you by Mybraidedwig. Today we are reviewing their 18 inches Burmese curly crochet human hair, and we are working with the whole 2 packs. I'm not going to be doing the regular crochet human hair with this, but the trendy miracle knot crochet hairstyle. I'm so excited because this will be the first time I'm going to be doing this style using 100% human hair. And as you all can see, this hair is well packaged, and I used the entire 2 packs to do the miracle knot crochet hair. This hair came with a hair bonnet, a crochet wig cap, and a normal wig cap. One thing about this hairstyle is that it doesn't take much of your time, honestly. Once you've done the individual braids with your natural hair, the next step is as easy as ABC. So for each braid, I started by crocheting and braiding down to where my natural hair stopped, as seen in the video. Then I crocheted at the middle and then at the base of my natural hair. Keep on watching, guys. Do not skip any part of this video because I'll also be showing you all how to take down this hair without stress. So like I said, I used the whole 2 packs to do my entire hair. To define the curls, you need only water and hair conditioner. Ensure you watch to the end of the video so you see how easy it is to take down this hair. So there's a misconception about taking down this hair. Some say it leaves your hair less and bald, while some say it's stressful and frustrating to take down. All I can say is patience is key. I've had this hair for weeks now, no stress, no tangles. So to take down this hair, all you need is water and hair conditioner. Though hair conditioner might be optional, but water is a necessity for taking down this hair. So take a little amount of hair conditioner and apply it exactly where your natural hair stopped. Spray a good amount of water on the hair. Keep the other crochet hair out of your way. Get a rat tail comb and start working, baby. You see how easy the first hair came off? And also how easy the second and third hair came off? That is how you do it without stress or crying a wolf. Every detail about this hair will be in the description box. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.